Ciao, this is a very important video as I'm about to share with you my delicious and incredibly healthy lunch whenever I return from the supermarket. Rule number 1, fresh bread. Rule number 2, remove the little knob at the end because I'm always starving. I'll cut enough for 2 people. Drizzle of olive oil, it's rich in monosaturated fats and it lowers cholesterol. Pinch of oregano, which has got a good source of vitamins A, C and K, and it contains antioxidants. Mozzarella cheese, good source of proteins and calcium for strong bones and also muscles. And absolutely tons of basil, as well as being incredibly tasty and flavorful. Also it contains lots of vitamins A, C and K, and like the oregano, good for antioxidants. Fresh tomatoes. This is an excellent source of vitamin C and a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system. Tomatoes also contain lycopene, that is an antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and heart diseases. It's good, so tons of it. Salt and pepper, they enhance the flavor without adding too many calories, but in moderation. And I'll close it the way I started with more mozzarella. I lied, there is one more, balsamic drizzle. It contains antioxidants with potential health benefit. Also, it helps reduce blood sugar levels and it adds a fair amount of sweetness without adding too many calories to the lunch. Why not? And the very, very last one, I promise. One last drizzle of olive oil on top of the mozzarella. Close it. Half it and enjoy it. If you like what you see, take a look at my Tortellino channel, which is packed of delicious Sicilian recipes. Ciao ciao!